A shape-changing interface is an interface that can move automated as well as manually. It should always be able to move back to its original shape. The deformation of the material should be feelable, and therefore it is always a tangible interface. Most shape-changing interfaces IDs consist of small movable parts with covering material. It is important to know which covering materials are usable. To know this, you should know what movements the material is going to experience. Therefore, I user tested what way of moving fits to different energy levels. I decided to test this upon material structures, as you can recreate some structures with many different materials, and it could be that the movement influences structure rather than the material itself. At the same time, I found the perfect material. Magnetic thinking putty, which basically is clay that is filled with extremely small magnets. As a shape-changing interface consists of a lot of movable parts, it would be beneficial to have extreme small parts that can be moved automatically, so you have more freedom in creating forms. Moving all those small parts automated would go more towards radical atoms, as if the clay is thinking itself and it moves as a reaction upon this, but it is still moldable by hand. I want to look at if I can read out a magnetic field around the clay and recreate this magnetic field to force a new piece of clay into the exact same shape. You can help me with ideas on how to approach the results of the upcoming material structures test. Possibilities of how to measure out a magnetic field and recreate it, as this will be very hard and maybe not possible. And if you have great ideas for the application of the shape transportation with the help of magnetic clay and magnetic fields.